Hi Viraz, hi Piyush, good evening.
Good evening,
I
ma'am.
am not. Good evening Rachit.
Evening, ma'am.
Good evening beta. Good evening all. I leave a message. Kindly keep on. हाँ पीयूष, how are you doing? हाँ विराज, how are you doing? क्या चल रहा है?
Ma'am, I'm good. मैम बस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही हैं आजकल तो.
Okay, very good. So I have seen you in on that day in webinar. I've seen you once in the webinar. Some webinar, I think firewall and network security webinar was there.
So,
I've seen you there. And how you're doing, Piyush?
okay, ma'am. Which one? I have attended quite a few now.
See, your senior most Chitranjan is here. I'm just able to see her. She is Chitranjan.
Hello all.
He is the senior most alumni right now in our alumni meet. He's a 2005-7 pass out, and he has done
2009, ma'am.
2009.
Yes.
Yes. And he got selected in Wipro just because of his hard work he has done in DOEC. And since that time, he is working with Wipro only. He's in, I think, Singapore.
Yes, ma'am. And now I left Wipro long back actually.
Why?
Then later I joined JP Morgan Bank in Singapore, and then after that, actually, recently I have joined a hedge fund there itself.
Okay. Good.
Yes.
So,
Sorry, I
like,
couldn't update actually, but yeah.
So, like, how you're doing there?
Things are good. Actually, it's a very fast-paced environment, so just going on. Yeah.
Okay, good. So, like, Kapil is over there. Kapil Bharadwaj, I have seen. Keshav is over there. Good evening to Kapil. Good evening Keshav. Good evening Ashish. तुमने मतलब अभी दूसरी पिक डाली थी फेसबुक पे? हाँ.
अरे मैम आपकी कृपा है.
नमस्ते कपिल, कैसे हो? और अभी मुझे साक्षी नजर आई थी. गुड इवनिंग साक्षी.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
बोथ ट्विन सिस्टर्स. गुड इवनिंग केशव. गुड इवनिंग सुकन्या. गुड इवनिंग काजल.
Good evening, ma'am.
समझ के नहीं
कैसे
आ
हो?
रहा मैम कोई.
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो? सबको देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. पीयूष क्यों म्यूट करके बैठा हुआ है? पीयूष नहीं बोल रहा है कुछ, केशव नहीं बोल रहा है.
हेलो मैम.
हेलो.
गुड इवनिंग मैम.
गुड इवनिंग. एंड लाइक अब अगर मैं इतने स्टूडेंट्स में देखूं तो 2000 जो लेटेस्ट पास आउट है उनमें कौन से बच्चे हमारे? साक्षी और हिमानी और विराज, है ना? विराज,
मैम केशव भी तो है.
केशव इज डूइंग हिज ओन बिजनेस. का अपना बिजनेस चल रहा है, टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल का. एंड इसके अलावा अगर हम देखते हैं, साक्षी और हिमानी इवेंट मैनेजमेंट में जाना चाहते थे, बट दे आर आल्सो डूइंग गुड. एंड विराज इज अ वेरी इंटेलेक्चुअल गाय. बिटवीन अस ये हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ नया करता रहता था, और अभी भी आई होप कि ही विल डेफिनेटली वर्किंग विद सम गुड प्रोफाइल. कहाँ काम कर रहे हो विराज अभी?
मैं फिलहाल तो एमसीए कर रहा हूँ मैम. Along with that, I'm doing ethical hacking का course. So
एथिकल हैकिंग. इतना सारा करने के बाद फिर एथिकल हैकिंग क्यों? तुमने तो
मैम इंटरेस्ट आ गया, मैंने कहा चल सीख लेते हैं, अगर कुछ होता है तो हो जाएगा.
अच्छा.
पाइथन के साथ भी लिंक है मैम एथिकल हैकिंग का.
अच्छा. हाँ.
यस मैम. तो फील्ड.
गुड. तो ये कहाँ से सीख रहे हो अभी? वहीं से ट्रेनिंग बस? हाँ. नहीं
मैम, मैं पहले गया था वहाँ पे सेटपा में पूछने के लिए, बट मैम लॉकडाउन हो गया तो उस चक्कर में यूडेमी से शुरू किया अभी फिलहाल. अच्छा, यूडेमी इज गुड. बाकी चित्रंजन बताएगा क्या सही है. हाँ, चित्रंजन को भी काफी एक्सपीरियंस होगा आजकल टेक्नोलॉजीज का. क्या चल रहा है, कैसे चल रहा है?
Actually, technology wise, so of course machine learning, artificial intelligence तो अभी है ही, but सबसे important है बेसिक्स हमेशा ही मतलब कि कहीं पे भी एंट्रेंस के लिए जरूरी है. whether it is algorithm or problem solving. So this चाहे कितना भी technology आगे चला जाए, this is the first thing actually which everybody should know. Apart from that, actually जो भी market में skills हैं, जैसे आजकल Python है, machine learning है, I mean, और क्या कहते हैं, it depends on कि किस field में interest है. If you have an interest in programming, तो क्या कहते हैं, किसी एक programming language पे, object oriented programming language पे एक command होना जरूरी है. Else, actually, if you are interested in testing, और तो उसके लिए there are different paths. So अपना इंटरेस्ट फॉलो करते हुए जरूरी है कि किस फील्ड में जाना है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग प्रोग्रामिंग सीख जाते हैं बट दे डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग कैपेबिलिटी, तो इट्स बेटर टू गो इनटू सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग इन दैट केस.
Okay, good suggestion. We have with us Udyan. Udyan जो है unmute नहीं हो रहा है. Udyan is from 2004 batch. I don't know Chitranjan, you remember Udyan or not? And we have with us Sid also, Siddharth Gupta. He is from which 2006 batch, Siddharth? 2008? Siddharth.
Yeah, 2008. Yeah.
2008 pass out क्या?
No, 2008 I joined, 2011 I passed out.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो
Nice.
अभी हमारे पास जो उद्यन 2004 से आ पाया है, बाकी बच्चे नहीं आ पा रहे हैं अभी 2004 से मीटिंग में.
Very good evening to you, ma'am. Very good evening.
Very good evening, Udyan.
I was yeah, please.
I always invite you for alumni, but this is the first time through online alumni meet it is possible to meet Udyan. That's good. So this is Udyan's batch was the second batch. First batch was 2002 batch, Chitranjan. I also came to know last time. So this is to tell you, all of you, last time I came to know that there was one more batch which used to get classes in Greater Kailash. So their students came last time. And it was a very good experience to meet with those students also. So that's good.
Okay.
How you are doing?
हमें भी याद है कि
एक बैच और
हम लोग के या हम लोग के साथ हम लोग आई थिंक हमारा शायद दूसरा या तीसरा बैच था.
हाँ, तुम्हारा 2000 तुम्हारे से पहले था उद्यन का
6 to 9.
हाँ,
right.
2004 to the 7. And how we are having with us sports person Kapil Bharadwaj. He also cleared government examination. He was working with some government sector. Later on, he is, I think, in sports only. What you are doing, Kapil?
मैम मैं अब एमपीएड कर रहा हूँ और मैंने गवर्नमेंट जॉब छोड़ दी.
अच्छा, देखो ऐसे भी है, गवर्नमेंट जॉब छोड़ने वाले बच्चे भी हैं. And Siddharth, how you are doing? Siddharth was there with us. Siddharth.
Hello, ma'am. Harpreet, how are you?
Hi. I'm fine. How are you, Harpreet? Nice to see you.
I'm good, ma'am. Same here, ma'am.
From long, I was trying to just like call you now. Once, two times you came. After that, like.
Yeah, ma'am. Last time I wanted to came, but I was in London due to some office work.
Yes.
I just thought to just join the meeting today. I was off, so I just thought to join the meeting.
That's good. That's why we kept today, now on Saturday. I thought ki many of you will be having off. So this Harpreet is also from 2004 batch. Chitranjan, I think you know Harpreet. And Udyan was also with us. Udyan, you know Harpreet?
Yeah. Yes, absolutely. Good evening, Harpreet. Good evening, Harpreet. I am fine. I am good. How are you doing?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Good to see you again.
Sure. Long time back. So you were still attending, as ma'am said. I have joined. I think for the first time I am joining.
Yeah.
Good to hear from you.
So like Siddharth is also there. Siddharth, how are you doing?
I'm all good. All
उमेश
good.
सर नहीं आए क्या?
आए हैं उमेश सर अभी ज्वाइन किया है इन्होंने. उमेश सर, गुड इवनिंग. वो अनुपमा मैम.
उमेश सर एक क्लास हो जाए. अरे वाह सर, आपको देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा.
आपको भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा. मेरे को बहुत टाइम बाद देखे हो चितरंजन आप तो।
राम राम सर, कैसे हो?
बस बढ़िया है मर
सर स्टैटिस्टिक्स मत पढ़ाना सर, बहुत बोर होता
Anupama ma'am is also
Hi,
there.
how are you?
अच्छा हूँ मैम, आप बताइए।
मैं ठीक हूँ, बढ़िया।
लाइक और हमारे साथ ज्वाइन किया है सिद्धार्थ, कुछ बता रहा था, सिद्धार्थ भी है साथ में।
Right, ma'am, मैं यही बता रहा था, I think this lockdown has brought about a great change in the working pattern and in our lives.
Yes.
So which is very important.
Yes,
मतलब
that's
personally
the...
I think कि बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल गया है लॉकडाउन से।
हाँ.
Apart from बर्तन झाड़ू पोछा, we have learned a lot of other things. I feel. A lot of discipline and a lot of laziness, but yes, digitally बहुत sound हो गए हैं।
Ma'am, can I say something?
Anjali, yeah, sure.
I was saying that we have got time for retrospection, introspection, like the speaker before he was saying. So means we have got time to think because this situation has come of our cause only. So because of the negative effects of human beings in general, so it's affecting it's showing in the environment. So I think human tendencies, human nature, human beings need to change themselves. So like we're sharing that changing ourselves is more important. Changing ourselves and respecting nature.
I think that's the lesson we get, and the sooner we apply it, the better it is.
So I was just listening to Harpreet. Harpreet is absolutely right in all the ways. Harpreet, can we see all the faces? If it is possible.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Yeah, that's possible. You have to give me then 10 minutes, ma'am.
Good evening, Vaibhav also is there. And Ayushi. Ayushi, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your face also. So these girls shared something. This Ayushi is there. Kajal is over there. Kajal, tell us something about yourself. How you're doing? How your work is going on? And Himani. Yes, Kajal, how you're doing?
Sir, ma'am, बढ़िया चल रहा है.
So working from home?
Yes, ma'am.
Like तुम्हारा प्रोग्रामिंग बैकग्राउंड था तो वो वेब डिजाइनिंग था ना? So
front end developer.
Front end development is going on online.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good.
Good evening, everyone.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. I request Dr. Arpana ma'am to welcome all of our alumni.
Okay, thank you, Sapna. So, like, I hereby welcome you all from the GIMS fraternity, and it's just you can say immediate idea which came in our mind that why not we can come to know about our alumni, how they are doing, how they are actually spending time in this lockdown period. Because as we are worried about our family members, in the same way we are worried about you people also, because you are also very close to us, near and dear to us. So that's why this idea arose, and we thought ki why not we rejuvenate our life in this way also by meeting with our people who are along with us. Some time back we were meeting with them regularly, and now they are working somewhere. They are also might be in the stress, might be they are enjoying their life, they are learning many things. So in that way, this idea came to our mind, and we invited you. So we welcome you all, and with this, we would like to have your experiences shared with we all. Many juniors are also with us. They have also done something for you all. So they will be definitely be showcasing what they have done for you all. So definitely they will also be learning something from you all and get motivated, get inspired from you all, and you will also be taking some good memories from all of us, and definitely for long now you will be again, it's like a startup, you can again start working. This is what we are hoping. And apart from this, I just want to tell you that GIMS is also doing so good just want to tell you that GYMS is now 26 years old organization and spread is having, I think, total 11 branches, out of which I just want to tell you 3 universities now GYMS is having. One, you know that it was in Jaipur. Another they opened in this Bahadurgarh also, and this our GYMS Institute, GYMS Jagannath University, Bahadurgarh. And the institute from which you have pursued the course is now shifted to Vasant Kunj. In Vasant Kunj now we are having 2 branches. One is the main branch which is giving the courses from IP, and another is an institutional area. So from this branch, students can do vocational degree program, which is UGC approved university, and so 3 years regular degree program, wherein we have included all the latest technology. Also, few first year students are with us. They have done already done IoT, Python. We included data analytics, machine learning. So like today they will getting suggestions from you all also, and we will also try to imbibe those also. We'll include those all suggestions if whatever positive suggestions or you can say if you want to suggest us in other way also. We will love to take your feedback and improvise our course in that way. Apart from this, I just want to thanks to all the students who usually keep on coming to our institute to deliver guest lectures, who keep on helping, assisting our students. Like usually to many students, I give Chitranjan number to just have this doubt clear ki Wipro join karna hai ya nahi karna hai, because many students get this offer letter from Wipro, but I don't know why don't they join this. Chitranjan is a very successful alumni of our institute.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Rohit this side.
Hi Rohit, good evening. So Rohit
good evening,
is also with us, 2005 pass out. Sahil is also with us. So like Rohit also used to come to.
Hey Chitranjan, how are you?
Lecture.
Hey man, how are you? Your video is not there. Why?
Yeah. I just turned off my video. Yeah.
So many like 2004, 2005 batch students are over here. It's like I'm so happy to see you all. And with this, I request Sapna to move forward, and I again want to welcome you all. Fine. And thanks a lot for taking out time from your busy schedule.
Thanks for coming, everybody.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Dr.
Sapna, welcome. Sapna.
Now I request Ishu to say few words.
Hello everyone. आपके मुकाम तक पहुंचना हमारे लिए अदब की बात है. आपके स्वागत के लिए देखे गुरुजनों की आंखों में गजब के जज्बात हैं. रंग लाई आपकी मेहनत और काम आई तहजीब की पढ़ी जो आपने किताब है. आपकी तरह तरक्की करें, ये हम सबके ख्वाब हैं. तो चले आगे बढ़ते हैं. आपका अनुभव जानने के लिए हम सब बेताब हैं. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishu. Thank you, Ishu. Good, very good. Nicely written. This is what written by Ishu only. Ishu writes so well. Many of the students knows. So like we start like request you all to share your experiences. Many of you shared, but like few juniors are with us. This is for information to all of you.
Students can, you know.
This Ishu, Kunal, Surveen, this Kanishka, few juniors are here. So like I start with again Harpreet. I request you to say few words to share your lockdown experience. You shared already, but again.
Harpreet is a super senior over here, I believe.
Yeah, Harpreet and Udyan. Yeah. So Harpreet, you just motivate, inspire, and guide your juniors.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. So I'll just start with my journey from GYMS. So ours was like the first of the BCA batch, which GYMS has started. So we were like around 15 people in the class, and we were a bit scared in the starting, like how it will went off. Like this is the first time when GYMS is starting for the BCA thing. In the starting, we don't know. But yes, gradually we know like the journey is good so far with the James, and there were good faculties like Aparna ma'am, Chandni ma'am was there, and Hilsa ma'am was there at that time, and the journey was good. And due to that, I believe, and I was not in the class, so there was a surprise by the teachers also when I went into the class sometimes, and they can say confidently, you are not a student of this class. So that was how it started. But gradually we completed our graduation. Then I went for MCA, and I joined with Converges. That was my first organization, and currently I'm working with HCL as a project manager. And I have moved a lot in my career in last 11 years of time. As far as the lockdown experience is concerned, so I treat like working from office or working from home. There is a slight change in the working habits, but we are working more than what we used to work in office, to be very honest. So in office, we just complete 9 hours or 10 hours of shift, and we used to came back home. And now I start my day at 10 in the morning, and I don't know at what time I finish in night. Sometimes in the 12, sometimes I used to sleep by 1 o'clock. So the work pressure has increased for me because being in IT sector, so we have the privilege to work from home, to work from anywhere. So our clients are like, or international clients are there. So we're working for them. I'm into the project management. So we're delivering certain projects to the clients. So that's how the lockdown journey is. But yes, we're getting more time to spend with the family. The breaks which we usually take in the office to spend time with colleagues, same we are now investing with our family. So family is bit also happy, we are giving more time to them. Earlier it was like just going to office, coming back, having dinner and going to bed. Only weekends were there, and now we are giving entire hell lot of time to them. So that's a good thing. That's a positive thing. Thank you, ma'am.
So thank you, Harpreet. I just want to add something with this. This batch was the batch which was actually a very inspiring batch for me. Reason behind this batch was having lot of, you can say, integrity within themselves, and they help with each other like anything to just get their project work done. This was the first batch who put all the assignments on website so that there's you can say friends can if they have not attended the class, they can just get the things from there. This was the first batch. This was the first batch who have installed Linux on server. This was the first batch who used to sit till 6:30 in the lab. I remember how the Harpreet was the student who worked on C++. At that time, the project has to be submitted to the university. Chitranjan's time also was there when they have to submit the project in the university. So the kind of hard work, the kind of integrity they people were having, and the kind of dedication, and you can say self-inspired, self-motivated students these students were. And thanks a lot to the batch. They have came many number of times to our institute to deliver guest lecture. Even I requested Harpreet also many times. Harpreet won the alumni award also from our institute. So like it's like my all
Ma'am,
the
I'll contribute once the lockdown will open. Then definitely I'll come for a guest lecture.
I would like to see you.
I know.
I would like.
I
to
know
see
you have requested me several times, but due to one or other challenge, I was not able to make up till now.
Yes, but we would
I'll
like
definitely
to
come next time.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So my all the best wishes to you, Harpreet. Moving to Udyan. Udyan, please introduce yourself. He is also a 2004 batch student.
Yeah. Good evening to one and all present. So, as my co-student already mentioned all of the things, so I have not much to say. He has covered all the things. So we were like at a time like very coming from different ideologies, having different talents and different set of habits. So we merged as a unit, all of us. And I pay my deepest gratitude to all the teachers of the college when we were there, and because how selflessly they worked, selflessly and tirelessly they worked for us. And coming to this, I am now currently I am a teacher, so I teach maths. So I teach maths up till higher secondary, class 12. And I had a talk with Arpana ma'am. quite regularly, not as much in touch as I am with others, as I was with Aparna ma'am. She always invited me to come to this particular alumni. So finally I made it. And as far as the lockdown is concerned, I would like to mention, actually we practice a form of Buddhism, which many of you might be knowing. We practice Nichiren Daishonin's Buddhism. So it was basically every Buddhism originated in India. So Shakyamuni Buddha, and it then went westwards to Japan, and it came back, and it's the sage Nichiren Daishonin who spread this philosophy. So I am into this. So I am now practicing. I have been practicing since 2004. So when I was in the college, I was into this practice. So this is basically a humanistic philosophy where we are taught about causes. We create causes to generate positive effects. So this particular term is Lotus Sutra we use. This is one of the sutras which was written, and this Lotus Sutra basically is we chant Namyoho Renge Kyo. So the word basically I'll explain the word Renge. It is lotus flower. So we bloom. The lotus flower blooms in a muddy pond, and it blooms so beautifully. So this is the essence or the crux that in our lives in society we might be in a very difficult phase, muddy phase or muddy area, but we can continue to bloom like the flower, like the lotus flower. And it also says that with causes we create. In fact, what we had created from the remote past, the effects are being generated today. So in the current scenario, I'll come back to the corona situation that I had started with that only because within our organization we are practicing and we are chanting. We are chanting so that all over India the members are chanting. So we have kept a time like 9 p.m. to 12. That at that time all of the members of India are chanting, and we call that alliance Daimuku. So that the effect of that can permeate into the cosmos. So that way we are creating causes, and individually also we are chanting. So this lockdown phase, we have been told that never to begrudge any situation, and to think that this problem is actually in a sense problem, because if we think means we have created this cause, all that has happened now is a cause created by us probably in this lifetime or in the previous lifetimes. So if we begrudge and say that no, this is not mine, ye mere ko kyun ho raha hai, ya mere ko kyun face karna pad raha hai, then we are again creating negative causes. So we are trying to, in our organization, when in the Buddhism we practice, we try to create positive causes, channelize positive thoughts. And it said that during this phase, it's important to keep the immunity going and immunity strong. So we are told to keep our life force high. And in general also, this is very true that we should keep our life force to the optimal level. So not getting defeated or not feeling like hopeless. So hope in every sense is needed. And this corona has given us an opportunity to learn and do our things or activities or do the things in the correct way. So that's it.
Good, Udyan. I just love to tell you about this thing that Anupama Munshi is with us. She's a faculty of gyms and she served gyms from last 12 years. She is with us. And she is also engaged with this Buddhism practice from long. I think it's been 4 or 5 years she is practicing. So like one more member is over here. And even I because my colleagues started practicing, they just keep on sharing the experience. I attended once meeting also. So it's really a very good practice. And I always say, Anupama, that definitely you will be seeing the results, and I think a lot of positive side, if we see, lot of progress is over there. So like I just wish all of you
thank you ma'am, thank you so much. Hi Udyan, welcome.
Hello ma'am. Yeah.
So like
I think Siddharth was also practicing.
Siddharth is also practicing. I met in the meeting Siddharth. When I went to meeting, Siddharth was there. So I just want to tell you, Priyank is also with us. He is also from 2004 batch. Sini is there from 2005 batch. So welcome you, Priyank. Just I request you to introduce yourself. Is Priyank there?
Yeah. In the meanwhile, Sini can also. If Sini
is
also introduce.
Like Sini can also introduce. This I think Chitranjan you can start with. So just start with Rohit. Rohit, tell us something about yourself to all your juniors. Priyank,
Okay,
we are waiting for you. Yes, Rohit. You can start.
Nothing much, ma'am. As you over here, you and Chitranjan knows me well. So for all, first of all, good evening to everyone. So I'm from the batch 2005 to 2008. So it's been a decade that we have just passed out from GEMS. So it's been a good experience, and after that we just moved to the corporate world and just doing the daily routine work, just going to the offices and all. But yeah, as Udyan has said that lockdown as a for lockdown, what I can say that for me, there is no such thing for the lockdown because I'm working from home since last 6 to 7 years. So I'm used to it. So, but the best part of this thing is that when you are working from home, you can concentrate on several other things which you can make a habit of that for good things. So yes, this lockdown just come as a you can say that a vardhan for all of us, for that if we are weak in such in anything, we can create a habit for that for that particular thing and move forward towards in a positive way. So all I can say that don't take this lockdown as a negative thing, as Udyan has said. I don't know about whether that Buddhist practice and all. I have heard somewhere from some practices, but I have never tried it. I don't know how to try that as well. But yes, if you control your mind, if you can learn things, you can grow easily, and you can learn things very quickly. So yeah, you can just take this as an advantage of this lockdown. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Rohit. And Rohit has already came to our institute to deliver guest lecture. So we'll be looking forward. Rohit
Sure,
works with Oracle also. So that is also a very good thing. He worked with, I think, Oracle for how long? You work?
Yeah, ma'am, from last it's been a decade almost. Yeah, I'm working with Oracle Technologies. Yeah.
So my good wishes to Rohit also. And
thank you,
next, Chitranjan, you can continue. Might be I forget the hierarchy, so please don't mind.
No worries, no worries.
Thanks, Rohit, for your experiences, and my seniors, Udyan and I forgot Harpreet. Yes. Yeah. So actually, I came from batch 2006 to 9. And coming from a small town from Bihar, I still remember the time when actually I came to the college counseling when I was doubtful, like, okay, what courses I should pick. I was a bit confused whether I should go for BCA or BBA. So actually that time, I mean, there are a lot of teachers actually who basically counsel, like, okay, what courses you should do or what courses you should not. So I asked the counselor, like, I'm a bit confused whether I should go for BCA or BBA. It is like actually many students feel that what they should do. So actually that time, that was a life-changing statement by that counselor. I don't remember her name. She said, okay, तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट किस में है, तुमको समझने में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट आता है या फिर तुमको रटने में? So actually I told, like, I like to understand. I can't mug anything up, actually. Then she said, okay, then you go for BCA. And from there, actually, I started my BCA there. And I mean, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि कॉलेज के दौरान बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे ऐसे टीचर्स ऐसे कुछ बात बोल देते हैं जो कि आपके लाइफ को चेंज कर देते हैं. फिर एक और मोमेंट एक और बात जो मेरे दिल और दिमाग में घुस गई कि एक सर थे, उनका नाम फिर मैं भूल गया, वो बहुत ही शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए आए थे। उन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि उन्होंने सबको बोला था इवन क्लास में कि इफ यू कमांड सी लैंग्वेज तो तुम कभी भूखे नहीं मरोगे। शॉर्ट वेल के लिए आए थे तो
प्रमोद
सर। तो उन्होंने बस ये बात बोली था कि बोला था कि अगर तुम सी लैंग्वेज तुम लोग कमांड कर लोगे तो कभी भूखे नहीं मरोगे, तुमको कभी पैसे की कमी नहीं होगी।
He used to teach C and he was an excellent teacher.
Yes. तो मैं उस चीज को पकड़ के बैठ गया एंड देन आई जस्ट बॉट यशवंत कानितकर बुक एंड देन आई वाज जस्ट यूज्ड टू प्रैक्टिस दैट बुक ओनली। So actually what I'm saying is like I mean teachers जो जिम्स में थे वो कभी-कभी कुछ ऐसे इम्पैक्ट कर देते हैं जो टीचर्स को भी पता नहीं होता पॉजिटिव वे में। और तो एक्चुअली दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट वांट टू से थैंक्स टू द एंटायर faculty of GEMS. Okay, I mean Harinder sir भी थे, अर्पणा मैम, उमेश सर, प्रवीण सर, I mean सब I mean even भूपेंद्र सर भी थे। तो actually yeah, so I mean everybody there is a role of everybody. So actually then GEMS then also actually I would like to thanks my seniors and seniors में से actually I mean सीमा थी जिसने मुझे बताया कि अगर 60% नहीं आया so then you are not going to qualify for any interview. Like actually, I mean that is the so if you are not scored first division for 10th, 12th, and graduation, then actually you are not going to select. So that was again one of the challenge because coming from because GJU university में 60 plus देते ही नहीं है वो, चाहे तुम कुछ भी लिख दो। तो सीमा ने ये बात बोल के again change my life in that way because तो फिर बस मेरा ये टारगेट होता है कि कुछ भी करके 60 प्लस लाना ही है। तो so actually I mean I was lucky enough to land up in GEMS that time and then I got seniors, faculties and everything and then GEMS has given the opportunity to give the interview to Wipro where actually Wipro has sponsored the master's course also with BITS Pilani. So actually, I mean, there was a 4 years of regular job. At the same time, actually, I had opportunity to do my master's from BITS Pilani Master of Science in Software Engineering. And the moment I completed my master's, I got an opportunity to go Singapore. And since then, actually, I'm there in Singapore for last more than 6 years. So actually, Wipro is a very good company. It's good. It gives you plenty of opportunity to learn and grow, and then actually I mean आपको इतना stand up कर देती है that you are gonna go anywhere and work for any organization. So पहले जैसे हम लोग किसी client के लिए काम करते थे, now actually I joined the bank itself where actually where Wipro, Infosys and TCS are our vendors. So I joined JP Morgan and after that actually I have recently joined one of the top 10 hedge fund of US called Millennium. It's a 42 billion company. So anyways, so what I'm saying is like GEMS has provided the opportunity to all of us. It has given the platform and it's up to the students to go wherever they want. So thanks again. And regarding the lockdown, actually, yes, it is, we should always be optimistic and positive. And look, and I was just listening to Udyan regarding Buddhism. I also practice yoga and meditation, and actually during my college days also, I used to practice that. And I follow 100% vegetarianism, and I do regular fasting, Nirjala. It's like no water, no food for 24 hours twice a month. So actually, all these things basically help and I have become father last year, and my baby is only 7 months or 8 months old. So
can we see him? Let him also part of.
हाँ मैं लेके आता हूँ।
बुला लेना बीच में दिखा देना। We continue with it.
So actually, I mean, this lockdown has given some extra paternity leave to me. So I can work from home and then I can do my parenthood also. So it's up to us. We can see the positive aspect of it, and hopefully we will all become strong out of this pandemic. So once again, thanks to everybody. Yeah.
I just want to add on to this. Many of you are doing DOEC. You know, you people know that there is a course, OA level course, which gyms provide you, and for which the gyms keep on guiding you. But Chitranjan's batch, Seema hai, Rohit hai, the batch, they people work by themselves. There was very little guidance to them. I remember in library there were no books of DOEC, and the people just keep on fighting by themselves. And he is the person who cleared O and A level both. I think he
yes ma'am, A level also, yes.
हाँ,
O and A,
जिस तरह से ये मेरे पास दौड़ता हुआ आया था ये बोलने की मैम मेरा क्लियर हो गया है, इसका क्लियर हुआ था, अक्षय का हुआ था. आई जस्ट रिमेम्बर दैट मोमेंट. एंड वो जो एक इसमें अभी आप देखो, आपने खुद सुना, इज अ वेरी सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड गाय. ये हर चीज से पॉजिटिविटी को पिक कर रहा है. तो ये बहुत जरूरी है कि जो भी आपके सराउंडिंग्स में आप उसमें से पॉजिटिव चीजों को पिक करें और उसको इम्बाइब करें अपनी लाइफ में. डेफिनेटली आप सक्सेसफुल होंगे. तो ओनली द पॉजिटिव थिंग्स शुड बी टेकन फॉरवर्ड. इवन जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनकी सभी पॉजिटिव चीजें मुझे याद है और मैं बोलती हूँ कि नहीं, द काइंड ऑफ डेडिकेशन दीज पीपल वर हैविंग अलोंग विद ये आकाश आपके बैच में था चित्रंजन? नहीं, आकाश ये इतना डेडिकेटेड बैच था कि आपस में इनके भी ग्रुप में 5-6 स्टूडेंट्स थे. इवन रोहित के भी ग्रुप में 5-6 स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे थे जो कि इन अ ग्रुप वर्क करते थे. और इनके बीच में वही अगेन मैं एक पॉइंट बोलूंगी, इंटीग्रिटी थी. ये कोई कंपटीशन नहीं था. इनको ये था कि नहीं, हमें कैसे भी करके इस प्रोजेक्ट को बनाना है या इसमें सक्सेसफुल होना है, सक्सीड करना है, या हमें अच्छे मार्क्स लाना है, एक दूसरे का हेल्प करना है. तो दे कीप ऑन हेल्पिंग ईच अदर लाइक एनीथिंग. So they set an example to each other, and we are also proud of you all. My blessings to you, Chitranjan. Keep growing well.
Thanks, ma'am.
To all, to Chitranjan as well. So who is next? Anyone can volunteer because screen में काफी सारे हो गए हैं तो मुझे अभी नजर नहीं आ रहे हैं सारे बच्चे.
Hi, ma'am. This is Sini.
Yeah, hi Sini. It's been long time.
Hi. I'm so happy that you organized this. Thank you so much, Anupama ma'am, Arpana ma'am, and I see Umesh sir is also there. Hi,
I don't
sir.
know, Umesh sir, can we see you? Students wants to see you, sir.
Yes. बढ़िया. आप बताइए कैसे हो सर? And there are so many memories associated with all of you. From where to start is the question. I mean, this college has indeed laid the foundation of my career. Even all the friends that I have in that batch, if किसी से भी आप पूछोगे, gyms will never be gonna out of our life. You know, इतना important part play किया है. The entire batch would, I can guarantee that. And talking about the life in gyms, बहुत सही था. Even the faculties treated us like family only. For any small questions, कुछ भी हो, either it be syllabus related or life related, we could just we can just talk about anything. For any small counseling, the faculties are always out there. I remember last time I met Arpana ma'am in 2018. I went to her place to invite for my wedding. So it was so great to see all of you again and again. And it's मतलब मेरे घर पे तो मतलब आप लोगों के बारे में तो it's very common. कुछ भी होता है तो you know reference में आ ही जाते हो. मतलब ये कुछ भी बताना या बोलना मेरे लिए there are so many memories associated. मतलब we used to be a group of 4 people, me, Manju, Preeti and Nitika, and by God's grace we are still in touch. तो मतलब इतने सारे memories associated है ना, be it education wise, study wise, other than that, you know, so much support being given to each of the students there. So yeah, thanks to all of you for that. So yeah.
Yes, Sini, continue.
और क्या बताऊं about my career after gyms. I started working in IBM, I guess within a month's time. Me and Nitika, we joined IBM. We worked there for a year or something. Then we joined Sapient Nitro, and right now I'm working with Mastic India. So I'm working as a lead there. So yes, and Nitika is working as in IBM Canada. So all of us are placed, you know, nicely. I mean, in a good companies. Bus and about lockdown, we are enjoying that. So many things we are taking for granted. We used to take for granted. So many interests, passions left behind. We are getting time to use that. जैसे मुझे cooking का बहुत शौक था जो मुझे कभी पता नहीं था पहले. अब I am getting time with my husband. We are cooking. We are sharing videos on Instagram. In fact, I created a page. I'm asking people to join it. तो वो सब हो रहा है with this. So yes, we should take all this moment positively, enjoy it, enjoy our time with parents. Maybe or maybe not, we will not have this time again. So yes, it's good.
Right, Sini. And I remember this thing. I am in habit ki students should make notes. And I remember this, that how Sini made the notes, how beautifully she made the notes, and she encouraged Manju, Nitika, and there's Preeti also. And all the 4 people made such a wonderful notes. I usually remember this. And secondly, in Scinet, the people organized Scinet. Scinet we kept in Kalkaji campus. And these 4 girls, like till evening, they keep on decorating the campus. I and Anupama ma'am went to oversee that, how you people have decorated. Lot of, like, on that day it was raining like anything.
Sure. Correct. But वो सब हमें इतना motivate किया है ना, all these small coordination we used to do at that time, presentation ho, anchoring ho, that actually helped us in our career life. Abhi, I don't know who all have joined in this meeting. I mean, I guess the people, the students, the current batch students are also there. So I would like to tell them कि ये सारी चीजें involve in your cultural activities that happen in your college, that really helps you in your career. So yes, participate as much as possible. So
with this, I just want to tell all the seniors who are over here, we are having Surveen Chauhan and Kunal with us, who are regularly, like, they are engaged with us in all digital marketing activities. And whatever you see on our Facebook, we request you to keep on sharing and liking. Those all videos are edited by Surveen and Kunal. And Ishu, you have just listened, she write poetries and all. We are having Sapna also. She's also wonderful in so many number of things. And Aarti is over there. Many students are over there. Paranjay is over there. He's just a first year student, and he is also like you people, very enthusiastic. Lot of zeal is over there to learn new things. He is doing very good in Python. Muskan is over there. Many students are over there who are definitely be taking lot of lessons from you all, and they will be definitely be implementing those all things in their life. And next, I can request next. Who is next? काजल अभी भी शर्मा रही है. फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर से तो अब बहुत दिन हो गई.
मैम वो तो रहता ही है.
अच्छा.
फ्रीडम चाहिए मैम, इसको फ्रीडम
बहुत है.
फ्रीडम बहुत है.
बोलना क्या है वो देखना पड़ता है.
अच्छा. बट काजल नहीं बोल पा रही होगी, पर काजल के लिए मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि काजल जो थी वो बहुत ज्यादा सेल्फ डेडिकेटेड थी. वो खुद अपना पढ़ती रहती थी. उसे ये नहीं था कि कोई और क्या कर रहा है, पर उसकी पढ़ाई अच्छे से होनी चाहिए. उसके नोट्स, उसकी जो भी समझना होता था, ही कीप ऑन आस्किंग क्वेरीज एंड ऑल. And she has chosen her career line by herself only, and she is doing very well in that. ये तो मतलब
मैं तो अभी भी सुपरवाइजर का सर खाती हूँ.
Good. Lot of queries were there, but that's good. You should keep on asking questions. If there are doubts, you should keep on asking. और आप अपना बताओ किस प्रोफाइल पे काम कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो. She is doing very good.
मैम एक्चुअली मैं गुड़गांव में काम कर रही हूँ 49 सेक्टर. आई एम अ फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर विद 2 years एक्सपीरियंस फाइनली. एंड बेसिकली मैं अभी जो एंगुलर फ्रेमवर्क्स हैं, एंगुलर हो गया, रिएक्ट हो गया, उस पे काम कर रही हूँ. मैं अब मूव ऑन करना चाहती हूँ मीन पे फिलहाल. सर्वर साइड भी काम करना चाहती हूँ, तो वो भी मैं थोड़ा पढ़ रही हूँ. लॉकडाउन के में मैं ये थोड़ा अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर किया है कि अभी जो मोंगो डीबीज हैं, मैंने इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया था एसक्यूएल उस टाइम पे जब कॉलेज में थे, तो उस टाइम तो बस ऐसे ही था. बट अभी एसक्यूएल कर रहे हैं, फिर जावास्क्रिप्ट जो मैम ने हम उतना पढ़े नहीं उस टाइम, बट अभी जावास्क्रिप्ट बहुत मेन है, जितना मुझे अभी फीलिंग आ रही है कि वो प्योर है. एंड अगर आपने वो किया तो आपको मोस्ट ऑफ द लैंग्वेजेस आप आसानी से ग्रैब कर सकते हैं. तो मैं उस पर थोड़ा फोकस मेरा वहाँ पे है कि जैसे अगर लॉकडाउन ओपन हो तो मैं स्विच करने भी चाह रही हूँ फिलहाल. तो अभी तो यही सब है कि पढ़ाई चल रही है फिलहाल, ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं.
Good, good. All
Go
the best.
go for the MongoDB.
Go for MongoDB.
मैं उस पे काम कर रही हूँ.
Yes, go for the
प्रोजेक्ट है
MongoDB.
MongoDB है. एंड देयर इज आल्सो ब्लॉकचेन प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड Node.js. Mean is
Okay.
the
So you are interested in developing or in the administrator?
developing.
Okay. So go for the MongoDB.
Yeah, sure.
Kajal, Rohit is working. He has worked for long at the back end only. He said na ki he worked for 10 years, I think, with Oracle, and right now also he's working with some good company. He just said, तो आप उससे भी कभी भी suggestions ले सकते हो whenever you want to take suggestions. But you can.
Kajal, you're working on a very good technology, I must say. Like you're working on something which is there in the market.
Chitranjan, the best part is she has chosen by herself, and she worked hard.
नहीं बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा. I'm happy.
Even बहुत अच्छा actually क्या कहते हैं all this. So yeah, I think it's good actually. I mean, Angular, React, all these things are very much part in the market, and they are good one.
Yeah, Angular is a part of Java, right, Chitranjan?
नहीं actually वो it's a JavaScript library. पहले JavaScript था. Right now it is TypeScript, right? The latest version.
Okay.
So the latest version has come with.
Yeah, because currently अभी आजकल जो trend है that is for the MongoDB, because I am also going forward with the administrating the MongoDB as well.
But so, basic is requirement ना. SQL अगर आपको SQL नहीं आएगा तो फिर MongoDB में queries कैसे करेंगे? तो इसलिए SQL में base करना चाह रही हूँ.
Okay, yeah, ठीक है, हाँ वो भी ठीक है.
And for Kajal, Rohit and Chitranjan, there is Surveen who want to make his career in Oracle. So Surveen, you are having 3 seniors with you. You can keep on asking, taking suggestions. And Priyank is also over there who is working with, I think, database backend only. L2 server पे work कर रहा था वो पहले, अभी latest मुझे पता नहीं है. So you are having 4 people. अभी प्रियांक तो नहीं बात कर सकता है, पर he is listening to you, so you can connect with all these 4 also.
Ma'am, can I interject?
Hi, ma'am.
Sorry to
yes, sure.
Actually, I have a class right now, so
yes, Udyan, can you we are having some videos also which we want to share with you all, your memories. तो आपकी थोड़ी देर में कितनी देर की क्लास है आपकी?
No, ma'am, what we can do is, Arpana ma'am, we can do what is, let others introduce a bit later on, so we can have a slideshow just running so that Udyan also gets a glimpse of it.
Udyan, you can come, you can join us again. You can take your class and then you can join us.
Should be 1.5 hours from now. So
okay, no issues. Then we will share with you. We will share with you. We will share with you. Fine. Okay, right. Thanks a lot, Udyan.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
God bless. God bless.
Udyan, wait. Udyan, wait. Priyank this side.
Oh, Udyan,
wait. Hey, Priyank, yes. I'll get in touch with you 1-to-1 as well. I heard your audio. So you could only hear.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, Priyank, please.
Sorry, everyone. Good evening. This side, Priyank. Yeah. So I joined JIMS as a Bachelor's of Computers Application in 2004. And I did PCA from JIMS Kalkaji and then moved to JIMS Rohini for masters. And I joined late, but I heard you guys were talking and sharing your experience and all. So sorry for that. Yeah, Udyan. So I saw Udyan. He's from our batch as I'm seeing since long. So how are you, Udyan? Sorry, I will take 1 minute.
No, no, no. It's okay, absolutely fine. I'm perfectly fine, perfectly good. How are you doing?
Good.
Great, good.
Okay.
Great. So,
Yeah.
so you
Yeah.
you are where are you right now? You are
Okay.
sitting here only?
So yeah. So I'm in Gurgaon currently
Gurgaon.
and working with Sapient. Yeah. So so my MCA completed in 2009, but in 2008, on that time there was a recession going on, and even I tried myself to post my resume in Naukri.com and other websites as well. So one day I got a call from Bank of America, and they asked, "Can you come up for an interview?" And we saw your profile and all. So I said, okay. So they asked me about the mainframe. Mainframe is a technology. So I started from mainframe. And frankly speaking, uh, we never read about the mainframe. I know that IBM used mainframe, and um, we can say like mainframe का मुझे M भी नहीं पता था. But they asked me, we will give you training for 15-20 days, and US folks will give the training, and once get with the training and all, uh, we will screen you, and then we will take action accordingly. Yes, I took that opportunity on that time, and I worked in mainframe for 3 years. Then I moved to ANZ Bangalore, ANZ. It's Australia New Zealand Bank for 3 months, and then again came to Gurgaon and joined Sapient. So currently working for investment banking. Wellington Management is a US investment bank, similar like Lehman Brothers and all. So if you're asking about the technology perspective, so I worked with mainframe and QA automation, then moved to database Oracle, and currently working for Oracle database and PL SQL development as well, and Redshift database as well, and AWS is also using these days. If if you're asking about how was experience in the gym, so gym's experience was good, and when I joined gyms for in first semester, I have 100% attendance, 100%. And but I broken that that lane. In second semester, I used to bunk 2-3 times. That's fine, but I also focus on my study part as well. As Arpana ma'am told, like in 2005 and 6 batches members are still here, like Singapore guy and some other. Uh, I guess he's in Wipro. So his batch did DOEC OA level as well. So in our batch as well, we also cleared DOEC O and A level, and I guess we never flunk in O and A level, but yeah, there was one back in third year, I guess. I got one back, but I cleared that because all of Guru Jambheshwar University. They are checking I mean, in a very. Not sure what they are checking and all. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So everyone have their own thinking, own mind. So I suggest you guys like do whatever you are doing currently. Just go for it, and just learn, and take help from your the teachers and all lecturer, and they will give you they will guide you to the right path only. And somebody said C and C++ if you learn. So yes, that is true. That's a mother language, similar like when we start creating the sentence, words. So we learn ABCD. So that is the mother language. But frankly speaking, I was not good in C and C++, but I was good in Java because I remember Arpana ma'am taught Java on that time. And Pramod Dhiman sir, yeah, he was a good lecturer, and a few other good lecturers, those who are not in gyms currently, but in some places. So I also get in touch with Facebook, and few are in WhatsApp. So yeah, so I always used to join alumni meet. So I request you all guys, so come and join alumni meet so that
he's very regular in alumni meets. Right.
Yeah. So even our batch 15, I guess 15 or 14 people, but most of them are serious on that time, and we are doing musty and all. But yeah, our key focus is also study as well. So wish you good luck to everyone. And in this COVID-19 situation, currently we are also doing work from home. And frankly speaking, in work from home condition, we IT guys are doing more than 12 hours working. We can't say no, and it's a good habit. You can't say no to our clients, but sometimes you should say no as well, and they would also understand. So yeah, that is all about my experience.
Priyank is,
sorry, I don't remember my.
Priyank is absolutely right.
But every lecturer supports us on that time. Frankly speaking, even Arpana ma'am and other lecturers as well. So yeah, that's why I'm standing here, and I wish you guys will grow as well. And that's it.
Thank you, Priyank. Thank you, Priyank. Actually, Priyank is a very regular alumni who attends the meeting, and he sent me various times some job openings also for juniors. So and another thing, in his batch, so many number of students were there who cleared O and A level in one go, and they are doing very well. Like Abhishek and this one girl Radhika, Priyank, and all. So many students were there.
Prerna,
Shantanu. So like really, all the blessings are there with you. And as Udyan has to go, Umeshwar has also to go somewhere. I just want to request Surveen to play the video so that they can see the glimpse of memories, because it's getting late for few students. Okay, so if it is possible, Udyan, you can spare time with us. Otherwise, if it is very necessary, you can go. It's like we're just sharing.
How long? Okay, ma'am. I'll be there. I'll try and be there because you started.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Udyan.
definitely like wish to see you in our alumni meets and sometime visit to our college also. Now college is shifted to Vasant Kunj institutional area. Fine, and God
Absolutely.
bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank
Deepest gratitude for always encouraging. Always encouraging. Thank you.
Thank you. Stay
Okay,
safe.
I'm
Stay
taking
home.
a leave.
Stay safe. Stay home.
Right.
Like there are more
I think we
students.
have some, yeah, I think we have some juniors who want to talk to seniors. So Pranjay, you can start.
Good evening to everyone first.
ये मैम आपके सामने नहीं पूछ
नहीं
सकते
नहीं
अभी
अभी बोलेगा देखो हम देखते हैं आशीष
पूछ रहे
कितना
आपके सामने पूछ रहे
आशीष
बोलो
आशीष
ले भाई,
तेरे
पूछ
तेरे
ले।
को सुनने के बाद अब सारे बोल लेंगे।
अच्छा मैम मैं तो सबको ओके कर देता हूँ मैम
चलो
अभी
परांजलि
जैसे
बताओ क्या पूछना
अभी
चाहते
जैसे आप सबने अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किए कॉलेज के बारे में, सबको बहुत अच्छे एक्सपीरियंस थे, लेकिन मैं जानना चाहूंगा कि आपका सबसे ज्यादा जो आप मिस करते हो अपने कॉलेज के बारे में, सबसे ज्यादा क्या चीज मिस कर रहे हो आप कॉलेज के बारे में? पढ़ाई या बंक करना या क्लासेस अटेंड करना, क्या चीज?
मैं बंक वाली एक बात बताऊंगा
हाँ।
कि हमारा कॉलेज का फर्स्ट डे था
हाँ।
और फर्स्ट डे के अंदर हम लोग पूरी की पूरी क्लास को लेकर बंक करने चले गए थे। हमारे क्लास के अंदर खाली 2 बच्चे थे,
हाँ।
गौरव और अंकित।
हाँ।
और उसके बाद अर्पणा मैम ने सबके घर फोन कराया था फर्स्ट डे।
यार कपिल सारी बातें नहीं बोलते भाई, ठीक है।
फर्स्ट
ये तो
और इसके अलावा एक बात और, हम क्लास में मेरा ग्रुप था, हम कुछ मस्ती कर रहे थे तो मैम ने फोन लिया था, तो मैम ने सबके फोन से कॉन्टेक्ट्स निकाल रही थी, तो मैम ने सबसे पहले मेरा फोन लिया और मेरे फोन के अंदर कॉन्टेक्ट चेक कर रही थी कि इसके फादर का और मदर का किसी का नंबर मिल जाए। पर इतने में मैम ने इससे पहले किसी का लिया था, शायद मनोज का लिया था आई थिंक। तो इतने में मैंने अपना फादर का और मदर का दोनों का नाम चेंज करके फादर का बैटरी लो, वो मदर का बैटरी लो और फादर का डेंजर कर दिया था। मैम मेरे से पूछ रही है कहाँ है कॉन्टेक्ट में आपके फादर का नाम। तो मैम सॉरी, मैं बताता हूँ, और वो नंबर्स मेरे फोन के अंदर अभी तक वही सेम है, फादर का डेंजर और मदर का बैटरी लो।
ओह माय गॉड। ऐसे तो पेरेंट्स का नाम तो रख लो, मम्मी पापा तो लिख लो, क्योंकि जरूरी है पेरेंट्स का नाम और घर का जो भी फोन नंबर है वो उसी से ही शेयर्ड हो। Because any time, like if in case someone wants to contact with your parent और मतलब ऐसा कभी जरूरत ना पड़े, टीचर पर होना चाहिए पेरेंट्स का नाम, नंबर, मम्मी पापा और होम, ये 3 होने चाहिए कॉन्टेक्ट।
मैम फोन के अंदर इतने सिस्टम्स आ गए हैं, कोई खोल ही नहीं पाता तो कॉन्टेक्ट लिस्ट जब निकालेगा।
ये भी सही बात है, सिक्योरिटी सारी आ गई है।
ये भी बात है, ये भी बात है। चलो ये भी अच्छी बात है। पर वो ये जो कपिल इतना बोल रहे हैं, मुझे अच्छे से याद है इसकी मम्मी जब आई थी पीटीएम में, तो लैब में क्लास चल रही थी, लैब से सभी बच्चे देख रहे थे एंड ही वाज स्टैंडिंग लाइक कि इसके पास बिल्कुल मतलब ये कभी बात ही नहीं करता, बोल ही नहीं सकता मम्मी के सामने या पापा के सामने। हर मदर वाज लाइक सो स्ट्रिक्ट एंड ही वाज स्टैंडिंग क्वाइट। लग ही नहीं रहा था कि ये वही कपिल है जो हम लोगों से इतना फ्रीली बातें करता है।
मैम स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन डिसिप्लिन में रहते हैं, मैम स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन डिसिप्लिन में रहते हैं ना स्टार्टिंग में, जब गेम के अंदर कूदते हैं तब आता है असली मजा।
So we have one new candidate, one more candidate with us, Yugantar. Yugantar has just now joined us.
उमेश सर कैसे हो? युगांतर बहुत बढ़िया, आप बताओ।
बस बढ़िया सर, हम भी फरीदाबाद आ गए।
बहुत बढ़िया। किस सेक्टर में है?
मैं हूँ ग्रीन फील्ड्स में।
अच्छा, ये तो बॉर्डर के पास ही है, दिल्ली में है।
हाँ हाँ,
बहुत अच्छा है।
और जैसे ही मैं क्या कहते हैं गया, तो अब ने क्या कहते हैं अच्छे बिल्डिंग पे चले गए। मेरे टाइम पे तो सिर्फ एक ही फ्लोर था बस, अब तो पूरी बिल्डिंग खड़ी कर दी जिम्स की। ये सही है।
सबको बस कोई ना कोई शिकायत जरूर है।
नहीं, वो टीचर्स अच्छे थे, अनुपमा मतलब अच्छा पढ़ाती थी, अर्पणा मैम थी, उमेश सर भी।
मैम गुड इवनिंग।
पूनम मैम।
गुड इवनिंग
सर। गुड इवनिंग।
गुड इवनिंग दामिनी, गुड इवनिंग। हाउ आर यू?
कैसे हो? बढ़िया, आप बताओ।
बस बढ़िया है हम भी। और कैसा चल रहा है?
सब बढ़िया, बस घर में बैठे हैं।
और एमबीए
यही बुरा है और
कंप्लीट?
कुछ। हाँ
MBA
MBA
का
कंप्लीट हो गया था 2018 में।
ओके ओके
घर से पढ़ा रहे हो आप सब?
अभी क्लासेस ओवर है युगांत, अप्रैल में ओवर हो जाती है ना क्लास।
मैम एक बात पूछूं, यानी कि ऑनलाइन पढ़ाने में ज्यादा दिक्कत आती थी या फिर क्लास में? मेरे हिसाब से जैसे मैं ऑनलाइन पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो
डिपेंड
उसमें ज्यादा
करता है
दिक्कत आ
बच्चे
रही है।
कैसे हैं कपिल, तेरे जैसे हो तो ऑनलाइन क्लास नहीं होनी चाहिए। आशीष जैसा
मैम
बच्चे को ऑफलाइन पढ़ाने में ही मजा है, ऑनलाइन नहीं।
Actually, sorry
Yes,
to interrupt you, everyone.
yes, Priyank.
You were saying something, yeah.
Yeah, actually, I want to add one thing. These days, I mean, the students are taking the virtual classes, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is my request to all students. Even I was a student, and even I'm in a company. My senior folks treat me like a student and employee, whatever. So there is one suggestion, like apart from their subjects, like in first semester we have C, in second semester we have C++ or database, OOPS, and Java, and other Java servlet. I'm not sure what exactly the subjects are going, or data science, or I'm not sure
IoT is there,
what
Python is
currently.
there. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
Priyank.
Okay. Python, so it's good. So there is one request, like apart from these things, better to take access on Udemy. Just create an account on Udemy, and they can purchase any course from there. So these days, everybody switched on cloud, like Azure and AWS. Microsoft having Azure and AWS having their own cloud. So just try to learn those things as well, apart from our daily routine. I mean, the subject and all, because that would be helpful in future. I'm not sure about this year, how about the placement and all, and I'm not scared anyone, but this time the situation is not good. But in future, I mean, once that COVID-19 will over, then definitely openings will come, and they will hire the fresher level as well as the experienced guys and all. So just try to learn these some technologies as well. And Python is in boom these days. When I was when I was pursuing BCA and MCA on that time, Java, and even today as well, Java is evergreen. No comparison. So these days, people are searching for full stack developer. So if they will take, I mean, they learn Java, and apart from that, they will learn something in AWS and try to give some certifications like solutions architect on AWS side. So that will also add on in their experience. I mean, in resume, and when they will go in the market for the job, I mean, for interview and all. So that would be beneficial for everyone if the guy, I mean, if people are interested. Frankly speaking, these days I am doing 14 hours working, and my wife also trying to convey me just to learn a lot of things, I mean, so many technologies. She is working in SAP in Wipro Gurgaon. So sometimes she tried to, okay, just learn SAP as well. Sorry, it's not SAP. It's sorry, it's not SAP. It's SAP. I learned it from my wife only. So these are small examples. So if sorry, I know few of the students are thinking that इतना तो हमारी मैडम लोगों ने lecture नहीं दिया, but frankly speaking, it's beneficial for everyone if they create account in Udemy and try to learn any of the course. And someone told me, I don't remember that person name, that was showing her daughter. So he was right. MongoDB is also in boom.
Oh,
so,
Rohit.
Yeah.
Rohit.
Okay. Yeah. So MongoDB is also in boom these days. So try to learn these technologies. Even in our time, Python was not there. but currently these days Python are using in in financial sector as well. Even in automation part, people are creating their APIs through Python and all. So apart
Yeah, for
from
automation,
your
the chef technology is there. Yes.
yeah. So apart from there, your whatever your course curriculum assigned to you, that is okay. But try to learn one extra course that would be beneficial for you guys when you will search for a job. I know in this COVID-19 you are taking virtual classes, and after that some homemade works, and people are trying for cooking and all. Even I'm also doing cooking when when uh, when times allowed me and all. And of course Netflix, Amazon these days, so watching movies and all. But try to give 1 hour for other courses as well. So I guess this meeting agenda is just share our experiences and
Yes.
what we can suggest to everyone. So that is my suggestion. If anybody can opt, so that would be beneficial. Even
Right,
these
Priyank.
days, if somebody asks me to learn this thing, मुझे भी बोरियत होती है, मुझे भी लगता है अरे नहीं यार अब नहीं पढ़ना. बट फ्रेंकली स्पीकिंग, अगर जिसने BCA ज्वाइन करा है, IT MCA कर रहा है या बीटेक कर रहा है, मतलब कंप्यूटर्स में जो घुसा है, इट्स सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ थिंग. जैसे डॉक्टर्स अपने आप को अपग्रेड करते हैं, ऐसे ही IT में अपग्रेड करना पड़ेगा.
Absolutely
ये
right.
मतलब
Agreed.
एंड मैम मैं इसमें कंक्लूड करूंगा छोटी सी बात. एंड मैं एक बार जब गेस्ट लेक्चर दिया था मैम मैंने, तो उस वक्त भी आई जस्ट टोल्ड दैट थिंग एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कि द मेन फोकस इज मैम लाइक जो जितने भी यहाँ पे जूनियर्स हैं एंड जो भी लोग हैं यहाँ पे, इट्स ऑल अबाउट आवर इंटरेस्ट. आपका इंटरेस्ट क्या है? यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. इफ यू हैव ऑप्टेड अ BCA, why you have opted a BCA? ठीक है, मैं मानता हूँ कोई सीख के नहीं आता है, but through your span of this BCA for 3 years, you have to understand what you are in good and what you are in bad. For me, like मैं अपनी बात बताता हूँ, अर्पणा मैम को पता है बिल्कुल, I don't love coding. मुझे कोडिंग बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. मैं समझ गया था ठीक है, this is not my cup of tea. But in the BCA only, I understand this thing that database हमारा सब्जेक्ट था. At that point of time only, I used to get in touch with database, and उसी वक्त से मैंने पूरी R&D शुरू करना कर दी थी कि डेटाबेस में क्या क्या होता है. As I have said, as a developer भी होता है and as a administrator भी होता है. तो at that point of time मेरे दिमाग में उस वक्त यही आइडिया आया था कि यार अच्छा, हम लोग ये आज की डेट में Yahoo और Facebook यूज करते हैं, हम तो सिर्फ इसका फ्रंट एंड यूज करते हैं, राइट? बैक एंड में क्या इसका सिनेरियोस चल रहा है. So I just want to learn that thing. I just want to manage that thing. And right now from last 10 years, I'm just managing this thing and I just loved it. तो यही है, मतलब जूनियर्स को यही सजेशंस है कि फर्स्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू लव, व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. उसके बिहाफ पे यू जस्ट गो फॉरवर्ड विद ऑल द थिंग्स. If you love coding, if you love administrating and all, so you have to understand that thing.
Right, absolutely right, Rohit and Priyank. Very right suggestion.
And one more thing I need to add. Those who have joined BCA as a Bachelor of Computer Application, as everybody knows the full form. So those who have not interested in coding, like चलो हमने ज्वाइन तो कर लिया BCA because उसको देख के इसको देख के, और यार ये कोडिंग मेरे से तो नहीं होती, तो no need to worry. I'm not saying drop your BCA plan and go and join BBA. No, continue your BCA thing. Just try to focus on QA thing, testing. Just pick up some automation testing, manual testing courses and all. And after that, when you join the company, just go in that way, like QA role. And after that, move into BA role, business analyst role, PA role, program manager role. So डोंट बी स्केयर्ड लाइक यार अब तो BCA ज्वाइन कर लिया अब तो फंस गए, या MCA ज्वाइन कर लिया अब तो फंस गए, यार क्या करेंगे, क्या हमारा कैरियर चौपट हो गया. नो, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. बट अगर इफ यू गाइस आर इंटरेस्टेड कि हमें करना है, So start with your coding. Coding say you can go anywhere, like in support, maintenance, testing, BA role, program manager role. There are n number of things. So that's why I'm saying whatever you are doing right now, so focus on that thing. And apart from this, Udemy, you can create your account and purchase some courses, not more than 500 or 600 bucks. And once you purchase, that's yours. Nobody will snatch you. And sometimes once any upgrade comes, that automatically upgrade in the Udemy portion. So uh, I suggest you guys to create Udemy account and just take only one course which you like it, which you like it.
Right, I agree with Priyank. I totally agree with Rohit also. Chitranjan, you want to add on something in this?
Yes, actually, I mean, Rohit or Priyank ने जो भी बोला है, it is absolutely right. Because even I also realized when I started my journey almost 10 years back, like the moment you stop learning, you are gone. Never ever take your any success or milestone as granted. ओके क्योंकि ये एकदम ये वैसे ही है जैसे कि ये कहते हैं आई मीन जैसे कोई क्रिकेट खेलता है जब तक फॉर्म में हो तब तक तुम चल रहे हो द मोमेंट यू थिंक ओके नो अब तो हो गया यार इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट क्योंकि एवरी ईयर द टेक्नोलॉजी इज चेंजिंग बहुत कुछ नया आ रहा है ऑफ कोर्स
every couple of months you can say that
या ऑफ कोर्स आई मीन मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि ट्रेंड में इन द मार्केट या तो सो क्या कहते हैं हर साल कोई ना कोई टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रेंड में जैसे अभी राइट नाउ पाइथन इज देयर AWS इज देयर आई मीन बट द फोकस दो चीज को बैलेंस बना के रखना बहुत जरूरी है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज द फंडामेंटल्स if you are in a coding space then you must be aware of the problem solving and the data structure and algorithms. This is the core. Okay. Second is the skill. Okay. The language skill and the different.
I think Kunal, we can start with the flute by Rachit.
Rachit.
Voice आ रहा है?
Yes.
तो मैम the first song which I'm going to play it is not a song. It is a type of tune. From the serial Mahabharata that इसकी कृष्णा थीम है yes कृष्णा थीम से belong करता है महाभारत वन से so I am going to play that one. So first one is that and second song which I will play that will be आओगे जब तुम साजना from the movie जब भी मैं This is the first Krishna theme which I played. Second, I will play that song.
very nice, very nice, very
बहुत
nice.
बहुत
Very
बढ़िया
nice.
भाई,
Thank you
दिल
so
बना
much.
दिया यार
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत
भाई।
बढ़िया।
आपसे मिलने में
made our
स्पेशल
day.
आऊंगा यार। यार मैं कॉलेज आऊँ। मैम ये अपने कॉलेज का अभी स्टूडेंट है या फिर
नहीं
पास आउट
नहीं,
है?
he is doing
अभी पास
MCA.
आउट है, he is doing his MCA.
But we keep
But-
on sharing his flute in Facebook also. अब
Yeah,
और भी
yeah,
करेंगे.
share. And one thing about Rachit is he's so humble, so always available, and so at a very short notice he has come. Thank you,
भाई
Rachit.
भाई मैं
you,
आज
sir.
तक एल्यूमिनी मीट में नहीं आया, पर जिस एल्यूमिनी मीट में आप आओगे उसमें मैं जरूर आऊंगा। पता है आपसे।
गुड, फिर हम रचित तो हमेशा आएगा, कपिल भी आएगा, इसका मतलब है। रचित कुछ चाहता है कि पीयूष हमसे शेयर करे। पीयूष यू शेयर, रचित वाज सेइंग समथिंग। पीयूष
हाँ
is
मैम,
our,
मैम one day Piyush told me about data science. I think he told me about that data science. So
yes.
I think Piyush can share with us.
Chitranjan, Piyush is 2015 batch student and he get placed in TCS from campus only. He's also very good
Nice,
student.
nice.
So yes,
Congrats,
please
Piyush.
introduce yourself.
Yeah, first of all, hi to everyone. Actually, रचित जैसे बात कर रहा है कि अभी मुझे कुछ शेयर करना था, तो मैं ये कहना चाहता था कि यहाँ पर बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो अभी शायद हमारे सीनियर्स ने बोला है कि हम लोग कोडिंग को ज़्यादा वो करते हैं कि जिसको कोडिंग नहीं आती वो कुछ नहीं कर सकता, ये है वो है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं। तो मुझे भी पहले ऐसा लगता था, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में पहले अपने आप को देख लिया था कि एनालाइज कर लिया था कि मैं नहीं कर सकता कोडिंग। तो मेरा जो इंटरेस्ट फील्ड था वो था नेटवर्क का। तो मुझे नेटवर्क से काफ़ी मतलब बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी होती थी, कैसे चीज़ें चलती है, कैसे डेटा ट्रांसफर होता है, क्या इन सारी चीज़ों में मुझे काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट था पहले से ही। तो उसके बाद मैंने नेटवर्किंग का कोर्स भी किया एंड करंटली मैं अभी CCNA के लिए भी एग्ज़ाम अभी फरवरी में देना चाहता था, लेकिन अभी दे नहीं पाया किसी दूसरी उसकी वजह से। लेकिन अभी ये है कि मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग कोडिंग को बहुत ज़्यादा वो करते हैं कि कोडिंग नहीं आती तो हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, लेकिन बहुत सारी चीज़ें अभी टेक्नोलॉजी में जो आ रही है, जैसे डेटा प्रिवेसी जो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। आई थिंक इट विल बी द नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, बिकॉज डेटा जिस तरह से हम लोग शेयर करते हैं एवरी सेकेंड, हम लोग बहुत सारा डेटा जनरेट हो रहा है जिसकी सिक्योरिटी होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और आई थिंक हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इसकी बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन काफ़ी हाई पेरोल पे एक नेटवर्क इंजीनियर को हायर करती है टू प्रिवेंट टू सिक्योर देयर डेटा। तो बस ये कहना चाह रहा था कि नेटवर्क्स में काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी है एंड करंटली आई एम वर्किंग इन TCS एंड वर्किंग ऑन L2 सपोर्ट where there are so many tools on which I am working, like Microsoft SCCM and through which we can push the software तो उसमें अभी मैं जो कर रहा हूँ फिलहाल, मैं एक L2 सपोर्ट में हूँ where we handle all the kind of issues in computer related to operating system and उसमें हमारे पास काफ़ी तरह के इश्यूज आते हैं। जैसे कुछ इश्यूज होते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉलेशन के जो फेल्ड हो जाते हैं थ्रू SCCM, तो हम उनको सॉल्व करते हैं एंड ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें चलती रहती है। तो मैं ये कहना चाह रहा था कि अभी यहाँ पर काफ़ी जूनियर है जो BCA कर रहे हैं, जिनका कोडिंग में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, तो नेटवर्क इज़ अ गुड ऑप्शन फॉर दोज हु डोंट लाइक कोडिंग एंड या तो बाकी रचित है। रचित और मैं हमेशा बात करते रहते हैं, उसको कोडिंग में काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट है एंड रचित अभी शायद उसने काफ़ी अच्छे प्रोग्राम्स भी हमारे लास्ट फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट में बनाए थे। एक मिसाइल का काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोग्राम था, आई थिंक अर्पण मैम को भी याद होगा। और वो प्रोग्राम इतना फेमस होता है कि डायरेक्टर सर को बहुत पसंद आया था।
डायरेक्टर सर को दिखाया था हमने, तो ही मेड दैट प्रोग्राम।
एक मिसाइल का कुछ ग्राफिक्स
मिसाइल का बनाया था, राइट आई रिमेम्बर।
तो मैं अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूंगा। जैसे हम लोग जिम्स में थे, मैं स्टार्टिंग में आया था, तो यहाँ पर मैं स्टार्टिंग में कोई कंप्यूटर के बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा पता नहीं था ये, और फिर आया। अब अर्पणा मैम के बारे में बताऊंगा कि इन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया है हमें। जिस तरह से मैम ने इंटरव्यू के लिए बोलती थी, ऐसा लगता था कि हमारा इंटरव्यू नहीं, मैम का इंटरव्यू है। और हमेशा ही मैम ने चाहा कि सब लोग सही जगह अच्छी जगह प्लेस हो जाए, अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाई करे। अनुपमा मैम ने बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया। अनुपमा मैम हमेशा ही क्लास में हमें सब्जेक्ट के बारे में नहीं, लाइफ के बारे में बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताती रहती थी। एंड बहुत सारे फैकल्टीज थे, क्या बोलते हैं, मुझे वर्मा मैम याद है, वर्मा मैम बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाती थी, और मलिक मैम हमेशा सपोर्ट करती थी, क्योंकि एक तो मलिक मैम से मेरा काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा था, क्योंकि वो नेटवर्किंग ही पढ़ाती थी हमें, और वहाँ से मैं काफ़ी कुछ सीखा है। एंड उमेश सर तो हम नहीं बोल सकते, उमेश सर तो सबसे बहुत ही मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल के बहुत अच्छे टीचर। तो उमेश सर के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा, हमेशा वो क्या, अभी शायद किसी ने बताया था कि वो बोलते थे कि जिसको नहीं पढ़ना वो बाहर चले जाओ, मैं अटेंडेंस लगा दूँगा, बिल्कुल ऐसे ही होता था हमारे साथ भी। तो हमें भी ये बोलते थे, और स्टार्टिंग में शायद आगे वो जो लोग पढ़ते थे उनको काफ़ी अच्छा, जो लोग लगता था कि ये रेस्पॉन्स कर रहे हैं तो उनको आगे बिठाते थे, जैसे मैं हो गया, एक रचित हो गया। तो हम लोग अगर कुछ भी गलत भी करते थे तो एकदम बोलते थे कि देखो बाकी को जिसको नहीं पढ़ना वो जा रहा है, लेकिन तुम ऐसा मत करो, तुम पढ़ाई करो और कर सकते हो। तो बहुत अच्छी तरह समझाते थे। आई थिंक सारी फैकल्टीज बहुत ही अच्छी थी। अर्पणा मैम तो मैं ऑलरेडी मेंशन कर चुका हूँ, वो इंटरव्यूज के लेके जिस तरह से बच्चों को करती थी, हमारी प्लेसमेंट शायद उनकी वजह से हुई है, क्योंकि हम लोग उस टाइम किसी को कुछ पता नहीं था कि क्या करना है, किस तरह से इंटरव्यूज को हैंडल करना है। आई थिंक मेरा एक इंटरव्यू बहुत अच्छा गया था, लेकिन वो किसी वजह से मैं उसको नहीं कर पाया। डेलोइट का इंटरव्यू था, लेकिन उसके बाद मैम ने मुझे समझाया कि अभी बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, तो तू आगे भी कर सकता है। मैं काफ़ी डिमोटिवेट हो गया था, क्योंकि मेरा सिलेक्शन नहीं हो पाया था वहाँ पर मैम ने मुझे अच्छी तरह से हैंडल किया, बोला कि आगे काफ़ी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटी है। मुझे विप्रो और टीसीएस के लिए ऑफर हुआ था। हाँ
पीयूष भाई, मैं आपकी इस बात से एग्री करता हूँ कि हमें हमारी फील्ड के अंदर हमारी पार्टनर शायद अच्छी मिल जाती हैं,
कपिल को
क्योंकि
भी
मैंने
है।
भी लव मैरिज ही करी है।
अरे कांग्रेचुलेशन।
मैंने भी लव मैरिज ही करी है।
शायद आकाश के
और
बारे में भी मैंने बोला होगा, आकाश इज ऑल्सो डूइंग सो गुड एमसीए करते करते। आकाश अभी है नहीं हमारे साथ, पर his wife is also his classmate and both of them are doing so good. चित्रंजन, आकाश पता है ना? आकाशदीप।
ऑफ कोर्स कैसे बोल सकते हैं। गुड गुड।
चलो पीयूष को ये भी
मेरी
याद
वाइफ
है।
से बहुत छोटा लेवल है, मैं तो नीचे ही खेलता हूँ स्टेट वगैरह। वो इंटरनेशनल मेडलिस्ट है, पर फिर भी जहाँ हो सके हम लोग इंडिया को, जहाँ पर हो सके इंडिया को अच्छा प्राउड कराने की कोशिश करते हैं। अभी आप लोगों को शायद मेरे गेम के बारे में बहुत कम लोगों को पता होगा। हमारा गेम है वुशु, ये एक मार्शल आर्ट गेम है।
मार्शल आर्ट है। आई थिंक कंग फू जो है, आई थिंक उसी का पार्ट है। जो कंग फू आई थिंक कुछ मुझे याद है, मैंने भी किया था।
वुशु के अंदर दो गेम्स होते हैं, ताओलू एंड शाओशु। ताओलू जो होता है जैसे
सर वो
ताओलू होता
है, सॉरी सर आप बोल रहे हैं।
ताओलू जो होता है वो जो है हमारा, यानी कि एक जैसे कि हम दिखाते हैं लोगों को पार्टिसिपेट करना, और जो शांशु है वो हमारा फाइटिंग इवेंट है। तो मेरी वाइफ शांशु के अंदर गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट है, मलेशिया इंडिया रिप्रेजेंट किया था उन्होंने, मलेशिया। और आप लोगों को शायद मैं बता दूं कि हमारी दिल्ली के अंदर जो इंडिया के टॉप 8 प्लेयर्स हैं वो हमारी दिल्ली से हैं, जिन्होंने करंट में हमारे एशियन गेम्स के अंदर भी मेडल्स जीते हैं। और हमारी एकेडमी आईएनए में है, और हमारा एक सबसे सीनियर और सबसे, मैं क्या कहूँ, मेरे बड़े भाई संतोष जी हैं, जो हमारे एयरफोर्स के अंदर इस टाइम कार्यरत हैं और हमारा एशियन मेडलिस्ट है। तो गेम्स की तरफ भी थोड़ा ध्यान दो, पढ़ाई कुछ नहीं है।
चलो, we are having all-rounder students, motivating in all ways.
Exactly.
हमारे पास हर इसका मतलब ये है कि आप चाहे कुछ भी करो जो आपके पसंद, whatever you like to do, you do. You should be successful, and whatever you like, if you do, definitely you will be enjoying also, and you will be finding yourself happy also in that field. तो कोई भी फील्ड खराब नहीं है। जैसे कि पीयूष नेटवर्किंग में करना चाहता है, इमरान हमारे साथ है, ही इज डूइंग वेरी गुड इन नेटवर्किंग। पता नहीं कितनी ब्रांचेस संभाल रहा है ये नेटवर्किंग की। ये सऊदी अरेबिया में जा चुका है, वहां भी काम कर रहा है। हाँ, बोलो इमरान, बोलो।
I have left networking now. I am a business consultant.
अच्छा, देखो अब ये
business
अपडेट है।
continuity management.
हाँ, नहीं तो he joined HCL and he told me that he is taking care of so many number of branches, data server handle कर रहे हैं। तो and with us we have Udit, he is from 2005 batch. चित्रंजन, तुम जानते हो उदित को? Udit is there with us. So like Udit, you can
2005 to 8 is it? Oh, Udit, of course. I know him. Hi, Udit.
How are you?
Good.
Or how's the things going on?
बस यार, whatever is happening in the world, like सब पूरी दुनिया एक ही प्रॉब्लम से लड़ रही है.
आपका आज न्यूज़ में आया है कि 8 जून के बाद काफी लगभग ठीक हो जाएगा.
हाँ, right. We are moving toward positive end.
लॉकडाउन इंक्रीज कर दिया 30 जून तक.
हाँ, वो तो
But they are unlocking it in phases.
Unlocking it in phases. So like I think just now Udit asked me ki he is interested in giving presentation also, but I just requested him ki we will call him in some time for webinar so that we can take benefit of that, because we already conducting so many number of webinars on like on the different areas which are in demand in IT industry. So if any one of you, like Chitranjan is over there, Udit is over there, this Priyank is over there, and Rohit is over there, I think. So you people can come up with webinars. We can invite you. Our students will love to attend the webinars. And I think many of you are getting late also. So Udit, you want to share something with our students? So you just share so that we can...
About 6 years, 6 months now. So I'm currently working with CCTV cameras. It is a security systems based company in Faridabad location. So my job is for different, not for the IT now. I changed my field in HR domain.
HR. He is working in HR domain, and usually he keep on sending me some job openings also. But as I'm having students from technical background also, only I always forward it to BBA department, and I don't know how they respond. But he keep on sending me openings, and with this I just request Sapna. What else is over there? And
Sapna, no, I think we can proceed with Sapna. Is the net is down with Sapna?
Okay, so Sapna's net is down.
With the, I think the last collage or video we have, I don't know.
But
what they have.
Ganesh is over there. He went for MBA. Ganesh, you want to say something? Ganesh, we are with us. Udit, he is into HR. You have done MBA, so you can share.
Yes, ma'am. Just now I'm working in Axiom Technology in 63 Noida.
Okay.
As a service head.
Good. So nice to know this, Ganesh. और गणेश एक चीज है तुम्हारे पास, एक जो तुम शायद इस टैलेंट को समझोगे नहीं, तुमने BCA भी किया है और MBA भी किया है, यानी तुम्हारे पास बिजनेस स्किल्स भी हैं और IT स्किल्स भी हैं, और फिर तुम अपने खुद के पैशन को प्रमोट करना चाहते हो, तो यू आर हैविंग अ वेरी गुड कॉम्बिनेशन.
मैं अर्पणा मैम की बात से एग्री करता हूँ कि हमारे पास जैसे कि हम BCA, फिर आपके पास MBA भी है, तो इस चीज से हमारी फील्ड पे बहुत फायदा पड़ता है. जैसे कि मैंने कई स्कूल्स में इंटरव्यू दिया था. अब मैं माउंट आबू स्कूल के अंदर हूँ, तो जब वहां पे मैंने इंटरव्यू देने गया तो उन्होंने कहा कि आपने BCA से फिजिकल फील्ड क्यों चुनी, तो मेरा बस एक ही मोटिव था कि मैम मैंने BCA कर ली क्योंकि वो मेरी किस्मत में था, पर मेरे को नॉलेज है BCA की. अब मेरे को फिजिकल फील्ड में रहना है, तो वो कहते ठीक है, अब आपको नॉलेज है तो मैं कंप्यूटर की क्लासेस भी कई बार ले लेता हूँ.
Yes, they do exploit in this way. People do, like they take advantage of your multiple skill set you are having. But that's good. That help you to get progress in, or you can say this promotions and all, or recognition in your organization where you are working. If you are multi-talented, definitely organization recognize your skill, and definitely you will get benefit out of that. So with this, anyone else?
I think we can,
Video.
If somebody has not.
Is
Survin is saying we can play it. Yeah. I think we have.
गौरव के पीछे मैं
आशीष क्या कर रहे हो बेटे?
ले लिया आपने।
पवन तुम क्या कर रहे हो? प्रैक्टिकल फाइल नहीं दी? कॉपी कर रहे हो किसी और से?
नो मैम,
आशीष तुम्हारा प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम
मैम ने
है
कहा
ना?
प्रैक्टिस करके ही जाना, इसलिए हम कर रहे हैं।
प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम वाले दिन
प्रैक्टिस करके जाना, प्रैक्टिकल तो हमने कर दिया।
प्रैक्टिकल
हमें ये कहा।
अब ये जो है ये फाइल तुम्हारी अपनी कोडिंग नहीं है?
क्या?
किसी और की कोडिंग से कॉपी कर
कोडिंग
रहे
की
हो?
प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं हम, लिख लिख के, इसके बाद अपनी कोडिंग करेंगे।
और ये लीड एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में लीड
मैम एग्जाम नहीं हो रहा ना, हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। इस समय लाइब्रेरी में है।
अच्छा, बाकी बच्चे तो एग्जाम कर रहे हैं।
बच्चे वो एब्सेंट थे कल,
और डेट शीट में क्या लिखा हुआ है?
डेट शीट मैम गलत है, हमारे कॉलेज वाले कभी भी चेंज कर देते हैं मैसेज करके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे।
अच्छा,
जो जावा का प्रोग्राम था, जो प्रैक्टिकल था वो 30 को था।
हाँ,
तो
हाँ।
हमारी मैम है कल्पना मैम,
हाँ।
उन्होंने हमें 28 तारीख को 27 को मैसेज करके 28 को एग्जाम है।
But I just want to thank all of you.
Everybody, thank
God
you, and
bless.
those
God bless.
Thank you.
the recent alumni also. I think we'll have one more meet sometime later. So we hope to see you soon again. So it was really good to see you all, to hear you all. So let's stay connected and let's stay like a family. Thank you, everyone.
And thanks for
Sure,
always supporting us also. Whenever we requested you are always there to help us in forms of, you can say, suggesting jobs for our juniors, or you can say giving suggestions or helping them. I share your numbers with your juniors. You are always there to help them. You never say no. You always say, ma'am. Immediately you say, "Ki mera number de dijiye, ma'am. I'll take care of juniors. I'll suggest them." So it is also a very good part. You can say, and sharing job opportunities with the juniors. It is again you can say very good participation from your end. And coming for guest lectures. So we are looking forward for webinars also. Now we are having a very good experience of having webinars. So you people are invited for that. And God bless all of you. God bless all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Okay, ma'am. Bye bye. Take
Bye
care.
bye. Ashish, you missed something. Now might be you
क्या
are seeing
मैम,
in.
क्या मिस कर दिया?
अब वो मिस
तेरे
कर
को
दिया
वीडियो
तुमने।
भेजेंगे।
अब वीडियो भेजेंगे तुम्हें, ठीक है?
अरे मैम,
Okay.
ये बड़ी गलत बात है मैम, मेरे होते हुए आपने ये कर दिया मैम।
एंड में था ना तो
एंड में ही तो आया हूँ मैं भी।
वो खत्म हो गया ना वीडियो अब।
अरे
अब
चलो
आपको
मैम, अपना
share
ध्यान
करेंगे।
रखो मैम।
ठीक है, सब लोग अपना
और हम
ख्याल
कभी
रखो।
कोर्ट भी आ जाए करो मिलने मैम, इतने पास होकर भी आप
कोर्ट से माफी दिलाओ। कोर्ट में भगवान कभी ना बुलाए।
मैम
हाँ जी,
वैसे
बेटा।
कोर्ट में नहीं कह रहा, मैं अपने कैबिन में कह रहा हूँ कि मेरे
हाँ,
कैबिन में
वैसे आएंगे मिलने। वैसे जरूर आऊंगी अभी आशीष।
पता नहीं मैम, 2-3 साल तो हो गए मैम, आते तो हो नहीं।
चलो आएंगे हम सब फैकल्टीज आएंगे कभी मिलने।
बाहर ही बुलाना पड़ेगा, हम सिलेक्ट सिटी वॉक में अरेंजमेंट करानी पड़ेगी आप लोगों के लिए।
कोई बात नहीं।
चलो हम बाकी अपना ध्यान रखो मैम।
हाँ, थैंक यू आशीष।
First year students and
मैम आप भी
second
अपना ध्यान रखो मैम,
बिल्कुल।
और उमेश सर भी, और
हाँ,
बाकी
बिल्कुल।
बच्चे तो अपना ध्यान रखते हैं मैम।
वैसे नहीं रखते।
हमेशा नहीं रखते हैं, फिर और कौन भाई, और कौन साथ में ले रखा है या ले रखी है?
अच्छा, चलो।
Love you all. Take care. Love you all.
Love you, ma'am.
Thank you, बच्चे।
Am I ending?